Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. I hope you have an amazing holiday season, but today I'll show you 4 hairstyles that you can recreate actually in minutes and accessorize it if you want as well too. For today's hair tutorial I decided to wear my Gugu hair extensions. For all the information about Gugu hair and Gugu hair discounts I'll leave in the info bar. But now let's start our hairstyles. For the first one we want to select our crown section like I show it, tie it and then flip it once. Now you want to loosen it a bit and flip it one more time and loosen it a bit again too. Now you want to grab 2 strands from both sides of our Topsytail, but this time a little tinier, and tie them again, flip them and loosen just a little bit and you're done. For this hairstyle I decided to use my clip bow and it looks amazing and so perfect for this holiday season, right? For our next hairstyle, we want to select 2 sections from sides of our parting and tie them both together in the back and flip them. Like so. Now you want to gather again 2 sections, bring them over our Topsytail, tie it and flip it, creating our second Topsytail. So basically we want to repeat this Topsytail ponytail braid until we are happy with our result. I'll make about 6 or 7 Topsytails and I think I'm okay, but you can do more of them or less. Also guys, I decided to add my Gugu hair scrunchie because it's so white and in my opinion very good for the holiday season. For our third hairstyle, super simple one, and this is so amazing for those Rapunzels with very long hair. So basically we want to make a low ponytail. Guys, if you are not using any hair accessory, make sure to grab a strand of hair and wrap it around the elastic to hide it, or you can use a scrunchie instead to hide it as well too. Now you want to divide into 2 our ponytail and then grabbing one of these sections, divide it into 2 as well, and you want to twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way, creating a row braid. So basically you want to twist it until reaching the ends and repeat on other side the same steps. Now you want to grab our 2 row braids and you want to twist them around each other like so. This way our row braid will be tight and perfect for every day because it will stay in place. Okay, and also don't forget to tie the ends with our braids so it will not unravel. And guys, when you are wrapping your braids, make sure to twist them the right way. You'll just feel it the right way. I decided to accessorize it with a scrunchie and my super bow. For the last hairstyle, we want to select our side sections and leave them away for later. With the rest we want to make in the back a low ponytail. Now you want to grab our side sections, make sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to crisscross them over the ponytail and yes, tie them underneath so it will stay secure. Now you want to grab all this hair from our ponytails, divide it into 3 and begin a simple 3-strand braid until reaching our ends. Now you want to simply wrap your braid around your ponytail, hide the ends and pin it in place from this side so it will stay secure. And you're done! Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel because I have so many ideas. I wish you all to have an amazing, beautiful holiday season. But that's it for today. Love you so much and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Mwah! Bye!